Model, 2018 Renault Trafic Sport Nav SL29 DCI 120 Engine noisy no VAT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 100266. Engine, 1598 cc R9M DCI 120. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are squealing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Oil light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,425 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for